Welcome. Today, we're diving into how you can easily view all your starred files on Dropbox Mobile with the latest update. If you're someone who loves organizing important documents and favorite files by starring them, knowing where to find all those starred items quickly can save you a lot of time. Let's get right into it. First, open the Dropbox app on your mobile device. Once you're in, you'll land on the home screen. This is your central hub for accessing recent files, folders, and other features. Scroll down just a little, and you'll see a section labeled Starred. This section is where Dropbox collects all the files you've marked as favorites, making it easier for you to find them later. Now, here's a neat trick. Right next to the Starred heading, you'll notice a small option that says See All. Tap that, and you'll be taken to a dedicated screen showing every single file you've starred across your Dropbox account. This means you don't have to hunt through folders or search manually. It's all lined up neatly in one place. On this screen, you can browse through your starred files at your own pace. Whether it's important work documents, images, or essential PDFs, they're all right here for you. This update really helps when you want to quickly access those go-to files without any hassle. If you want to remove a file from your starred list, just open the file and tap the star icon again to unmark it. This way, your starred section stays relevant and clutter-free. In summary, the steps are straightforward. Open Dropbox, scroll down on the home screen, tap See All next to Starred, and instantly view all your favorite files. It's a simple yet powerful way to stay organized on the go. Thanks for listening.